Hi, I've just bought a fish tank to put in the classroom. Turbo Girl, can you use the pail and fill up the tank with water?
All right, here we go. Okay, it's done, teacher.
Turbo Girl, how many pails of water did you pour in?
3.
If each pail can hold 8 liters of water, what is the volume of the fish tank?
That's simple. I poured in 3 pails of water. That means I poured in 24 liters of water. 1 liter is 1000 cubic centimeters. So, the volume of the tank is 24 times 1000, which is 24,000 cubic centimeters.
Turbo Girl, can you put in a few pebbles into the fish tank now?
Oops! Some water has spilled onto the floor.
As the tank is full, the pebbles display some water as they take its place in the tank. The volume of the water displaced is the same as the volume of the pebbles. Now, put some pebbles into the tank that is half filled with water. What do you see?
As I put in the pebbles, the water level rises. There is a change in the height of the water level.
Yes, Turbo Girl. Thus, we can calculate the volume of the pebbles by multiplying the base area of the tank by the change in water level.
Oh yes, I can remember that now.
Good. Let's look at a slightly more challenging example. A tank measures 50 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 35 centimeters is 2/5 filled with water. 3 identical stones are put into the tank, and the water level rises by 5 centimeters. Find the volume of each stone.
The volume of the 3 stones is equal to the volume of the displaced water. Base area of the tank is 50 centimeters times 30 centimeters, which is 1,500 square centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the 3 stones is 1,500 square centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters, which is 7,500 cubic centimeters. So, the volume of each stone is 7,500 cubic centimeters divided by 3, which is 2,500 cubic centimeters.
Very good. I have a question for you, Turbo Girl. A rectangular tank measures 25 centimeters by 50 centimeters by 20 centimeters. A stone of volume 5,000 cubic centimeters is placed into the empty tank. Water is filling up the tank at a rate of 10 liters per minute. How long will it take to fill up the tank?
The volume of the tank is 25 centimeters times 50 centimeters times 20 centimeters, which is 25,000 cubic centimeters. As the volume of the stone is 5,000 cubic centimeters, the volume of water needed to fill up the tank is 25,000 cubic centimeters minus 5,000 cubic centimeters, which is 20,000 cubic centimeters. Since 1,000 cubic centimeters equals to 1 liter, 20,000 cubic centimeters is 20 liters. It will take 20 divided by 10, which is 2 minutes to fill up the tank.
Good work, Turbo Girl. Let's summarize today's lesson. What have you learned today?
I have learned that when objects are placed in a container of water, some water is displaced. The volume of the water displaced is the same as the volume of the objects that are placed in the water. So, to find the volume of the objects, I multiply the base area of the tank by the change in the water level. If more than one of the same object are placed into the tank, I can find the volume of one of the objects by dividing the volume of objects by the number of objects.
Good. And what did you learn about water flowing into or out of a container?
I learned that the volume of water divided by the time taken for the water to flow in or out of the tank is the rate of water flow. So, If I am given the rate of water flow and the time taken, I can find the volume of water by multiplying the rate by the time. If I am given the volume of water and the rate of the water flow, I can find the time taken by dividing the volume by the rate.
Very well, Turbo Girl. That's the end of today's lesson. See you at the next lesson. Bye.